Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be the system one, and here let's simply tap on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter bookmarks and history and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them, just mark them and tap on delete. Of course, you can mark more if you want to, of course. But if you don't want to mark them, just tap on clear. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to clear the history, so just tap on clear. And as you can see, it's very simple, it's very easy and quick. Here we've got no history, which means that we just successfully removed everything. We've removed all previously visited websites. So actually, this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.